Caldwell Autism Foundation was set up to promote and further the reach of the work of Phoebe Caldwell. Phoebe has supported autistic people for more than 30 years. Her way of working is called Responsive Communication. Responsive communication is a combination of two well-established approaches: intensive interaction and sensory-based approaches. The film you're about to watch is about responsive communication and the sensory aspects of autism. It takes the form of an extended conversation between Phoebe and Janet Gurney. Janet is the Director of Training at Us in a Bus, and Janet has worked with autistic people and people with profound and multiple learning disabilities for over 25 years. The first part of the film looks at autism, in particular the sensory aspects of autism, and considers them in turn. Using a video case study, the second part of the film looks at how responsive communication can be used to promote emotional engagement and social interaction.